Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel Let's Talk Watches. Today I'm starting a new series of unboxing and review of Indian watches, and this will be the first video of Indian watches series. To kickstart, I have chosen a very special automatic dress watch from the Indian brand ARGOS. The model here we have is named as Olympus by the brand. There is an exceptional feature in this watch and I will be talking about it as we progress in this video. Let's start with the unboxing of Olympus automatic Arctic Blue from the brand ARGOS. Here is the box I received from the brand, and one thing I want to mention here that it did not come like this. It came in a very huge air bubble packaging to keep the watch safe. So big thanks to ARGOS watches for thinking differently and making sure that the watch remains safe through the delivery process. Well, this is a cardboard box and it's simple, just the ARGOS branding and the logo on the top of it. But when I open this cardboard box, I have a very beautiful shining premium wooden box. And again, we have the branding and the logo on the top of the box. And if you would have noticed, the brand has managed to give extra foam sheets here as well to keep the box scratch free. I mean, this is a very small thing, but they have given thought to. I'm really impressed. Now, when I open this wooden box, on the hood we have the ARGOS branding with golden fonts, which looks beautiful. And here we have the watch manual plus the warranty card. In the menu, you have plenty of things to know, like how to use the watch, how to adjust the butterfly buckle, etc. The watch comes with standard 1-year warranty, but ARGOS gives you an option to buy the lifetime warranty as well at the time of purchase. So for that, you just have to pay some extra money while placing the order. Now let's have a look on the watch. So this is a dress watch, and if I talk about specifications, it has a case diameter of 40 mm, which is considered as perfect size for any watch. Lug to lug is 45 mm, lug width is 20 mm. It runs on Seagull 2530 automatic movement with a power reserve of around 40 hours. The case is made of stainless steel, and the glass we have on this dial is a double dome sapphire crystal. I ordered it with this beautiful black leather strap. The strap comes with this butterfly buckle, which is again a premium feature that we generally get with expensive watches. Now let's have a closer look on the dial. So it is a blue dial with silver hour markers. The 12-hour marker is bigger than the other hour markers. The sword style hour and minute hands look beautiful, and for seconds it has a chrono at 9 o'clock. So we don't have a dedicated second hand on this watch. We have a date window at 3 o'clock. The date window also has a silver outline which complements the dial. We have ARGOS branding and the model mentioned below 12 o'clock, and I can see that everything on this dial is embossed, not printed. Even the branding and model name ARGOS Olympus is embossed, which makes it a very premium watch. Now let me tell you about the exclusive feature this watch offers. So you see this indicator here at 4 and 5 o'clock. Well, this is a power reserve indicator which shows how much power reserve the watch has. As you wind the watch, the indicator moves towards the right of this meter and it will come down as the power drains. I think this is amazingly useful feature that ARGOS is offering. I mean, imagine that you pick your watch after a day or two and this indicator will show you how much power is there and if you need to wind it or not. Though it is an automatic watch and it will keep winding as you move your hand by rotating the router at the back, but still I believe it is a very useful feature to have. To change the date, we have this tiny button on the left side of the case, which is no secret button but a push button to change the dates. So usually we find that we can change the date by rotating the crown clockwise or anti-clockwise, depends on the make of the watch. But here we won't be able to change the date that way. We can change the date by pushing this button only. So you would need some kind of pointy tool to perform this task, and I use this SIM ejector tool which looks like perfect for this action. Okay, now let's have a look at the back of the dial or the case. This is a skeleton watch and you can see the movement from the back. It has a golden router which looks very premium, very beautiful, and you can see that we have a brushed texture on the router as well. The brand has made sure that you love everything about this watch. They have given thought to very small details. I mean, they could have simply put a silver router thinking who cares what we have at the back of the case, but instead they designed it stylish and different, and that's why I'm mentioning it again and again that it's a very beautiful, very special watch, and I'm happy to share that an Indian brand is making such world-class, good, beautiful and elegant watches. So full marks to ARGOS. And thank you for making this beautiful watch. So now it's time to see how it looks on my wrist, and I must admit it looks premium, looks good. So I just have a small request that you should remember it is a dress watch and it does not have any lume or any light, so it will not show time in the dark. And if you buy it, try to wear it with formal dresses and not with the casual attires, because it may not look good on your casual attires. It's a dress watch. It works with formal, pant, shirt, trousers, or maybe with a suit. So it will add value when you wear it with a suit or with a formal attire. So that was all in today's video, guys. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you like this video, and I will try and bring more Indian watches in this series. And I would request you to please share, like, subscribe the channel in appreciation of the efforts that I make to create these videos. And I will keep bringing, lovely content to you guys. In the end, to all watch lovers, thanks, bye-bye, and take care.